Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to make this soft and delicious sausage bread rolls, or you can even call them hot dogs, okay? Perfect for breakfast, lunch or snack. So let's get into it. I'm going to be pouring some bread flour in here and sifting it very well. You can use all-purpose flour as well. Make sure you sift your flour to get rid of any unwanted particles. So after that, I'm going to just add some salt, and I would make a well in the center and set it aside. So all the ingredients and their measurements are in the description. I also have some warm milk, lukewarm milk, to which I'll be proofing my yeast with some sugar and then some active yeast as well. I'll give that a very good mix and I'll let it stay covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. So we are back to check on our yeast and it has proved beautifully. As you can see, I'm just letting you see what it looks like when it foams up. Yes, that is active yeast for you. So you want to add the rest of your ingredients. The sugar. I'm also going in with 1 room temperature egg and some melted margarine. You can use butter if that's what you have. Then I'll give it a good stir and then I'll pour it into my flour mixture. So you want to just combine this until it comes together into a dough. And then knead it by hand on your work surface. Make sure you flour the work surface a bit because the dough may be a bit sticky. If you are kneading by hand, this should take about 20 to 40 minutes. But if you are kneading with your mixer, it should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the dough is well kneaded, and the way you will check if it's ready is if you poke it and it bounces back at you. If you have a mixer, this process should be quick and easy for you, okay? This is just for demonstration purposes. So as you can see, I'm greasing my bowl right here, and this is where I will be leaving my dough to proof. I'm also greasing the top of the dough as well, and then I'll be covering this and keeping it in a warm place for it to double or almost double in size. This should take about 30 to 40 minutes when the place is warm, okay? So as that's going on, I'm going to boil my sausages in the pan. So once it comes to a boil, you just take it off the fire and put it through a sieve to drain all the water and let it dry very well, just like the way you are seeing it over here. We are back to check on our dough, and the dough has almost doubled in size. We are going to give it a bit of a knead to get the excess air out, okay? So that when we cut it, we can get equal or almost equal pieces. So with the knife, I'm going to cut this into 2 and then cut each part into 5, okay? I'll just roll one of them into a log and then show you how I'm cutting them. So if you have a measuring scale, this can really help you at this point to get accurate measurements. But if you don't have one, just eyeball it and you should be fine. It does not have to be perfect, okay? Make sure the sizes are as equal as possible and you are good to go. So I have my baking sheet here, which I'm going to be greasing with margarine, okay? I want the margarine to be used because I like the flavor that it gives to the bread, and it also helps the bread not to stick. So after I've lightly floured my work surface, I'm going to begin to roll the hot dogs, okay? So you pick one piece and then pinch it into a little log. Then after that, you roll it till it becomes long enough so that you can wrap it around the sausages. So you can just eyeball how I'm doing it and it will help you do yours as well. So when you are rolling the sausages, make sure that the pointed part is a bit underneath so that the rest can come on top of it and it does not open while baking. For the last end, you can just let it be downside sitting in the pan, okay? So I'm going to do a second one for you to see. This is how to roll the dough around the sausage, just the way you can see it right now. Then I'm going to let this rise in a warm place for about 30 to 40 minutes once more. And then when we are back, we will continue the process. So you can see that the dough is risen or almost doubled in size now. I'm going to brush the top of the dough with some egg wash. This is 1 room temperature egg and then 1.5 tablespoons of milk. You can use just the egg or egg and then about 1 tablespoon or half of water. I'm going to go ahead and bake this in my preheated oven until they are well done. And my hot dogs are ready. Yes, they are looking so beautiful. I'm going to brush the top with some margarine to make sure that the crust is soft. You can use butter for this and it turns absolutely beautiful. I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. Absolutely delicious, soft and fluffy. Everybody is going to love this. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to check the channel for more recipes like this. And remember, God has a plan for your life and He loves you so much. Also, don't forget to support your girl by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. God bless you all. Bye.